Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Prudent gets hold of videotapes revealing VIP treatment given to Dudu in police headquarters. Dudu seen having continental food, laptop with internet, cigar and a plush bed. In an exclusive interview to Prudent, Sri Ravi Shankar remarks that Baba Ramdev and Anna Hazare's agitations shouldn't have happened separately. Tells Goans to preserve communal harmony, environment and culture. Force says government has cheated them on MOI issue, criticizes silence of government on non-implementation of MOI decision, threatens to reply with votes during election. 29 sub-junior Taekwondo nationals to kick-start in Goa on 29 September. Taekwondo Association of Goa hope government will grant stipulated amount of 5 lakh rupees for nationals. And Goa Football Association set to crack down on illegal football tournaments. Participating players will be suspended. And now the news in detail. Alleged Israeli drug peddler David Riham alias Dudu received special treatment in the police headquarters for 11 days after his arrest in 2010. Dudu has furnished all the video evidence to the CBI, which is currently investigating the drugs nexus case. Prudent brings to you an exclusive footage of the royal treatment given to Dudu after his arrest.
Dudu has furnished video recordings to the CBI showing special treatment given to him for 11 days in the then SP of ANC Vinu Bansal's office. Dudu has said he will prove that he was falsely implicated. In an exclusive interview with our reporter Basuri Desai, Dudu revealed more.
After your arrest in 2010, were you given VIP treatment in the police headquarters in the ANC cell?
Yeah, I don't know if it's VIP treatment, but I get very good treatment there.
Why was so?
I don't know, I think because they was making all this fake case, they want to give me to feel a little bit good with myself, so they put me there, I think so.
Did anybody ask money from you for the VIP treatment?
No.
Did Venu Bansal ask anything from you
No.
in return of that?
No.
The videos are in possession of Prudent Media. In this video, Dudu is talking on cell phone. He is ordering for food.
दो काउंटर, दो मकरेल, दो काउंटर, एक तंदूरी चिकन, 6 रोटी, एक पूरी.
It is also clear in the footage that he is smoking. He is also allowed to use phone and his laptop and a comfortable bed to sleep. In another video, he is having continental food with his girlfriend Zarina and sister Ayala. He is having fish, palak paneer, plain rice with naans. Television set is also seen in this video. All this is happening in the then ANC SP Venu Bansal's cabin. Dudu has now alleged that he is getting threats and he feels insecure in Goa. He has already lodged a complaint with Anjuna police and mentioned that he can identify the person who threatened him.
I put complaint just now. Now they're treating us.
When you have got the call from? When you have got a call?
I didn't get call, I see some guy on the street and he shout, "We will kill you if you will not leave Goa."
When this took place?
Yesterday,
And you have filed a complaint?
I filed a complaint.
Our reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Omkar Falari and Sunny Narvekar.
The founder of Art of Living, Sri Ravi Shankar, has remarked that Ramdev Baba's agitation and Anna Hazare's agitation shouldn't have happened separately. He has also elaborated on how Anna and Baba function differently. In an exclusive interview with Prudent Media, Sri advised Goans to preserve communal harmony, environment and culture of the state. The interview will be telecast on Sunday at 2 p.m., 4 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. So don't miss it.
as far as both these agitations are concerned, Ramdev Baba's agitation and Anna Hazare's agitation, do you feel somewhere there were credibility crises as far as Ramdev Baba was concerned? And Anna Hazare enjoyed that credibility with the masses?
I would say if these two agitation would have combined from the very beginning, it would have been much better. Like Anna Hazare did his first fast. Of course, everybody was with him in April. But then Baba Ramdev wanted to take up black money issue. He wanted to go on a different platform and do it. So it has its own ramifications.
There are some people who are trying to use it as vote bank. There are some people who have become power brokers. Is it right?
It's natural. It's obvious. So people who are leading the mass movement have to be very, very careful so that their movements are not hijacked by people with ulterior motives. That has to be done.
And right to recall is one you believe is necessary.
I feel we must think about it, ponder about it. It should not be too easy to recall. At the same time, it should not be like taken for granted for 5 years. It's impossible to recall somebody. With solid evidence and real need to recall, we should be able to recall.
One message for all the Goans who look up to you.
So let's take care of the environment. Let's keep our communal harmony and keep our traditions intact. Our ancient traditions are so much alive here. I'm so happy about it.
Force has criticized government for non-implementation of MOI decision. They have come down heavily on government's silence. Force has said that government has no right to come to them asking for votes. They have also warned that they will reply with votes and not with words.
Force, a parents' organization, has been supporting English as the medium of instruction. They have been agitating for the past 6 months. Government has decided to allow grants for English as MOI, but it is not implemented as the matter is sub judice. Educationist Pandurang Nadkarni and 3 parents have filed a plea in the High Court against this decision. Now, Force has claimed that they have been cheated by the government over MOI.
They have taken us for granted. We are forced to believe that it was only politics on the part of the Chief Minister. When they wanted publicity, they made a popular statement. Well, they need to hear what 200,000 people have to say. The government that swears by silence cannot come to us looking for votes. The day is not far off. We will reciprocate with silence at the time of elections.
Force will agitate severely if government remains mum on the issue. Force wants implementation within this year.
We are going ahead with the suggestions that have come from the governing council of the executive body of Force. Each and everything we will go irrespective of any deadlines, because we have given deadlines, we have accepted them. As the press note says, we have even had patience with them, we have given them a benefit of the doubt. So for us is we need this, we will keep on acting till the time when we get.
A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.